Hi everyone, welcome to Amy Learns to Cook. On the show today, we're going to unbox what's in this mystery box. So this box showed up at my door from a company called KPKitchen, and they have a lot of fun things for the kitchen, and I think there's kind of a mixed bag of stuff in here. So we're going to take a look at this, and then we're going to put these things to the test and see how they are and make some really great stuff with it. So join me as we do an unboxing of some kitchen tools and gadgets from KPKitchen. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank KPKitchen for sending me this box. You guys know how I love kitchen gadgets and tools and all that fun stuff. And I've used one of their products before and I thought it was great. And when they contacted me, I was like, yay, KPKitchen, right? Because what I used from them was a batter dispenser, and it works absolutely fabulous. So let's get this box open and see what we have. Okay, let's get this baby open. I love boxes with like grab bag stuff. I would tell Eric that's what I like for my birthday for Christmas. Just get an Amazon box and put a couple, low cost things in there that you think I would love. And this is like a stocking, right? It's so much fun to just open it up and see what's in there. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Looks like we got some cool stuff in here. So the very first thing that I see is this batter dispenser. And one of the things people always ask me about making pancakes, we are going to do a pancake show. Yay, right? And I can tell you in advance, one of the keys for making perfect round pancakes like you see at your local diner is to use one of these batter dispensers. These things send the batter out onto your griddle, and believe me, they come out looking like this, looking like you just stepped out of your local diner. Because sometimes when you make them and you just pour them out of a cup or something like that, they're all misshapen. With one of these babies, it just comes out perfectly round, and I love them. So there's the batter dispenser. Woo, look what else is in here. So this is fun, right? This is a set of stainless steel measuring spoons and cups. So we'll take a look at that. Awesome. One of the things as a cook, you can never have enough spoons and measuring cups. Because as you're cooking, you're obviously not constantly washing them. So when you have multiple sets, that's ideal, right? So what do we have here? Dessert decorator. Cool. This is like you can frost cakes and stuff with this. Awesome, right? We'll take a look at that. We have, wow, this is heavy. This is a 105-piece Russian piping tip set. Awesome. If you guys have ever seen the Russian piping tips, they make really fancy flowers and stuff for your top of your cupcakes and cakes. And I've always wanted to try this out. So this is a 105-piece, 50 tips, 50 disposable piping bags, 2 couplers, 2 tricolor couplers, and an instruction sheet. We're going to get into that. Look at that. And, whoo, I think we're going to be making some cupcakes. So this is 2 silicone muffin pans, and there's a 12 cup and a 24 cup. They're BPA free, and they're heat resistant up to 450 degrees, and they're dishwasher, oven, microwave, and freezer safe. Sweet. So let's get this bad boy open and take a look at these. I think we're going to be making some cupcakes. I love cupcakes. It's the perfect size. It's not like a cake where, you're in the danger zone of taking a huge piece. It's great for portion control, I guess you could say. Get instant access to free cupcakes and muffins recipes on their website. So we'll keep that. Maybe we'll make one of their recipes. So this is standard size muffins. This one is mini. And these, you definitely want to put these onto a baking sheet. Put your little mini, you don't have to put mini cupcake liners, but you can. And because these are silicone, it makes it really good because it doesn't stick like a regular pan. Or you can not put liners, or you can put liners. Sweet, and I love the color. So let's see what we got here. So here we have the KPKitchen stainless steel measuring set, 7 measuring spoons and 7 measuring cups. Gives you the sizes. KPKitchen is devoted to bringing you high quality premium kitchen products. 18/8 stainless steel. Sweet. Let's open this bad boy up. Nice. So we have KPKitchen. You can register on their website. These have a lifetime warranty. Sweet. Nice. So let's look at that is 1/8 of a cup. These are really, really nice. Nice and shiny. 1/4 cup. 1/3 of a cup. 1/2 a cup. Wow, this is a really big set. 2/3 of a cup? Awesome. You don't usually get that size. 3/4 of a cup. Nice. This is a really nice set. And 1 cup. Wow. I really, really like this set because it has a lot of these sizes that ordinarily when you need 3/4 of a cup, you got to go get your 1/4 of a cup and zoom, zoom, right? This one has one for you. And let's see the measuring spoons. We have 1/8 of a teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, 3/4 of a teaspoon, sweet, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon. Wow, I would say this is an awesome set. First and foremost, I love the shape of these. I just love the shape of them. And this has a thing for your thumb. I really, really like these. You can, right? Wow. I think I'm giving these a thumbs up already. So let's go get into the decorating. So this is a dessert decorator. And this is great because when you have people like me, sometimes I have trouble with my hands, right? It's hard for me to do really intricate things sometimes with my hands. So this comes with this dispenser, and it also has some tips on it. So it has a plunger, so you can grip this and just plunge, and then your icing comes out, your frosting. It has a see-through barrel so you know what's in there. It has a thumb lever. It is easy to wash. You just wash it by hand. And it actually has a core so you can make filled cupcakes as well. So it comes with your decorator, 200 white cupcake liners, your cupcake core. It comes with a filling tip, a leaf tip, petal tip, star, and round. Sweet. Let's see what we got here. Awesome. So here's their website. And here's our cupcake liners. And here is our dispenser. Sweet. Here's our tips. Sweet. And here is our thing that we can make filled cupcakes. So that's pretty sweet. So to fill this, we just take off the top, take out the plunger, fill this up with the frosting. We're gonna put our tip on here. So we're gonna do a star tip, put the coupler on here. Sweet, I like this. So to put this in there, we lubricated this a little bit. It's a tight fit because you don't want your frosting to come out. So you just put it kind of at an angle like this. Crank this baby down again. And this will move a little more freely when I have frosting in here because we'll make it slide. Cool. So here's all our tips and our cups. Okay, and here's our piping tip set. This has me really interested because I've never used these Russian piping tips before, and they have a lot of different designs. So this is a 105-piece set. We have 50 tips in here, and it fits in this cute little container. So let's see what we have in here. Wow. This is a really cool set. These are your couplers. These are the piping tips. And here is some disposable bags. You can make bags out of like parchment paper, but it's really a pain, and it's great to have these disposable ones. This set comes with 50, so that'll keep you going for a little while. And these are basically couplers that you can use. If you put these on your bags, you put this on the inside of the bag and then this screws on the outside of the bag. You can put your tips on here and you can change out your tips without having to get a new bag. So these are our tips, and wow. This is really cool. These tips have tons of different designs on them. And they're not your standard tip. You really would have to practice with these. This is a number 33. So to use these couplers, you just put this side into the bag, put the tip on here, put this on here, and that way if you want to change them out, you just take this thing off here, take your tip off, add a new tip, and add a new one of these. These are really cool. Definitely you want a coupler to use with your bags. So look at how unique these tips are. These Russian piping tips are a lot fancier than the ones we're used to. Look at that. That's a little snowflake, it looks. There's stars. Wow. These all make different kind of flowers. I need to learn how to use these. This looks like it makes some kind of rose. And they each have a number. So this is a 43. Wow, this set is really, really cool. I'm looking forward to using this. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing is this pancake batter dispenser. And I'm glad to see one of these because, to be honest with you, I have one of these. I purchased it because I always do pancake breakfast at work. And I'm sort of known for that at work. And I'm going to tell you, these are fantastic. I have this very one, And so now we have 2 of them, right? And they make perfectly round pancakes. This is the key to your diner pancakes, is a batter dispenser. And let's open this up. These are really cool. I brought this very one to work, and like half the people at work bought one. So here is our batter dispenser, and it has a lid on it. Here's our website again. And what you do is you fill this with your batter, and then there's a little dispenser here. So when you're up over your grill, it's vroom, vroom, vroom. Let me tell you, I made over 500 pancakes with this in just a couple hours at work. Just vroom, vroom, vroom. It was fantastic, and I'll show you how this works. We're gonna have fun making some pancakes. Right, it makes that noise. And I'm gonna tell you, this is one of my favorite little gadgets. And when we make pancakes with this, you'll see what I mean. But I absolutely love this. And I managed to get like half the people at work to buy one of these, and from KPKitchens. I love it, and I'm glad to have another one. Looking forward to showing this to you guys. So thank you, KPKitchen, for the box of toys. I'm looking forward to using that. We are going to have a pancake video for my perfect fluffy pancakes, and we're also going to do some cupcakes. We're going to do some decorating, and we're going to try out those Russian tips. Looking forward to it. So thank you very much, KPKitchen. There'll be links down in the description for all these items. I'm going to tell you, this one here you will really love, and I'll show you how to use it. Links in the description, and thank you very much, KPKitchen. If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and now on Instagram, Amy Learns to Cook.